Video study 9 of 14 into Sandman by Metallica should sound something like this. It's a really cool riff built on the E minor blues scale for those that know better, but let's teach you how to play it. So I'm going to first start off zooming onto the fretting hand here. We're playing relatively high. We're starting at fret number 5, 6 and 7. Notice that I'm dedicating a finger to each fret. First finger to fret 5, middle finger number 2 to the 6th fret, ring finger to the 7th fret, and the pinky is just as normal hanging around. Okay, we're starting with an open 6th string, which should sound like that. Then after a little bit of a rest, you're going to have fret 7 on the 5th string, fret 5 on the 4th string, then middle finger crosses over to the 6th fret on the top string, and then onto fret number 5 of the same string. So one more time, super slow motion, open, 7 down a string, 5 down another string, right to the very top, 6, 5, and then you finish off the phrase with number 7 on the 5th string again, over here. And then if you look at the tab, you'll notice that the first bar and the second bar are, well, they're the same. Okay, so repetition kicks in. So I'm going to play it through twice in a row for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just going to show you my picking hand as well, so you can see what's happening down there. For those that know a bit about Metallica and James Hetfield, he's one of the fastest down picking exclusively guitarists around. So in the context of keeping it in the spirit of Metallica, downstrokes only for this one, but if you decide to do an upstroke, no one's going to mind. But check the hand movement, resting my palm round about over here on the bridge, just behind, so it's not really palm damped, but arguably a little bit could be kicking in, and it should sound like this. And then if you do a bit faster to the correct speed, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sounds pretty sweet. Now, if you wanted to, you can also add a little bit of distortion like this. And you can hear now. Sounds a bit more aggressive, gives more of a sort of a rock tone. And that sounds pretty sweet. And maybe add a pinched harmonic on the last note as well, and you get something like this. And you can add your own little flavor to it as well. So obviously Metallica didn't do it as aggressively as that in the beginning, but if you want to add a bit of distortion and make it uniquely yours, play around with it a little bit there. Bit of vibrato, pinch harmonics, and bit of damping. And have some fun, just enjoy the song. So to finish off, here we go again. And we're back to the more natural, clean tone again. And I want you to play along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I go through something like 12 times before it changes to the next riff. If you would like a copy of the complete Enter Sandman tab for the rhythm guitar parts, drop me a WhatsApp. I'll be happy to give it to you. But as we said in the beginning with the previous ones, the whole purpose of this video, just to have fun and to teach you some fun basic riffs that you can play for your mates, and with the underlying important goal, getting your picking hand quicker, because if he works faster, your chords will change quicker as well. And that's what drove me to actually put this all together, because often we find our changes for chords aren't that cool, and cool riffs like this just help us get some more speed with the picking hand. Hope you enjoyed it. Have an awesome day, and on the next video, number 10, we're going to look at Beat It.